In this video, we will talk about career in 3D printing. Now, one by one, we will discuss on its demand, salary, nature of work, possible designations, companies, sectors, qualification and skills, and finally, career roadmap. 1. Demand. The global 3D printing market is experiencing rapid growth with a projected CAGR of 21% from 2023 to 2030. Industries such as healthcare, aerospace, and automotive are adopting additive manufacturing for prototyping, customization, and production. Recent updates highlight advancements like bioprinting organs in medical science and NASA's use of 3D printed parts for space exploration. India is also seeing increased adoption in sectors like jewelry, education, and manufacturing. The Make in India initiative has further fueled demand by encouraging local innovation through 3D printing technologies. 2. Salary and earning. In India, entry-level professionals earn 3 to 5 lakhs annually, while experienced individuals can make up to 15 to 20 lakhs. Globally, salaries vary significantly. USA average $70,000 to $90,000. Senior roles exceed $120,000. Germany, 50,000 to 80,000 euros due to high industrial demand. Freelancers charge $20 to $50 per hour, depending on expertise. Experience impacts earnings. Junior designers earn less compared to specialists in CAD modeling or material engineering. High-paying roles include 3D printing engineers and R&D heads. Summa 3. Nature of work. Professionals in this field design prototypes, optimize models using software, e.g., AutoCAD, SolidWorks, operate printers, and manage post-processing tasks like finishing and quality control. They also collaborate with engineers and clients to ensure designs meet specifications. Problem-solving skills are critical for troubleshooting printer malfunctions or material issues. 4. Designations. Common roles include 3D printing technician, CAD designer, additive manufacturing engineer, product development specialist, research scientist, bioprinting materials. Senior positions involve strategic planning and overseeing large-scale projects. 5. Companies. Major companies hiring include Global, GE Additive, Stratasys, HP Inc., Formlabs, Autodesk. India, Wipro 3D, Imaginarium, Chisel Innovations, Anubis 3D. 6. Sectors. Key sectors utilizing 3D printing: healthcare, prosthetics, implants, dental devices, aerospace, lightweight components, automotive, custom parts, education, training tools, construction, building components, fashion, custom footwear, accessories. 7. Qualification and skill. A degree in mechanical engineering, industrial design, or related fields is preferred. Certifications in CAD software, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, and hands-on training in 3D printing technologies, FDM, SLA, SLS, are essential. Skills in material science, problem solving, and attention to detail are crucial. 8. Career roadmap. Off-campus opportunities. Build a portfolio, showcasing projects on platforms like LinkedIn or Behance. Network at industry events and apply via job portals like Naukri, Indeed, or specialized sites like 3D Hubs Talent. Internships. Participate in hackathons, join university industry collaborations, or apply directly to startups, companies offering internships. Experienced jobs leverage platforms like AngelList, Glassdoor, or referrals. Highlight achievements in previous roles during interviews. Continuous learning through certifications ensures staying updated. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe our channel for more information.